In this video, we're going to cover while loops. Now, I've got a very basic setup here already. This is sort of the standard as you go into Coding Ground if you're using their editor. And a while loop is a form of loop that keeps repeating until a certain condition is met. So this is normally used when you don't know how many times you're going to loop. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up a very simple while loop. I'm going to say if number is less than 10. Of course, it needs to know what number is first, so we're just going to put num equals 1, and inside our brackets we're going to do num plus plus, and then we're going to also write our number out so we can see what the current value of num is at the time. So we'll do num plus, and we're just going to add a break tag here just so everything's on a new line for us. So you'll see that it started at 1. We've increased it before we've printed it. That's why the first number is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, all the way to the end. Our while loop is created by using a bracket, and then we write our condition in there. And we can use any sort of condition. We can do less than and equal than until it equals 10. So we can keep saying go until it equals exactly 10, until it's more than 10, more than equal. Or we can say until it's not equal to 10. So we'll keep going until it's not 10. So if we start at 10, it will loop once for us. And in fact, it needs to be 9 because we're increasing the number first. So it'll print number 10 out, then it'll increase by 1, and then it will be a different number. In terms of uses and where you use these, there's not a real main use where you'd use this, not an obvious use. But there are uses for this. For instance, if you don't know how much data you're getting from your database, use a while loop until the data coming from the database is empty. You can also use it for something like a pop-up where you've asked the user to tick a box, and while the user hasn't ticked the box, keep displaying that pop-up. So there are quite a few uses for this. There's just not a big obvious one to teach you.